Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL TabMax, and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and since we're in the standard photo mode, we can take a look at this option bar, which is of course depending how you keep your device. In my case it is on the left side, but if you will rotate your device it will be at the top. So right here we've got the timer option, and after tapping on it we can check that we will have like three different, or actually four different options from which we can choose. Currently the timer is turned off. As you can see, this clock icon is crossed out and also highlighted in this yellowish color, but we can set also to 5 or 8 seconds delay. So let me show you how to change it. All you have to do is to simply tap on it, and that was a misclick. We have to tap on a particular option. I've chosen 5 seconds countdown. So after that, just tap on the switcher, and as you can see, your device will count down from 5, and after that time it will take a photo. And of course it will work the same with all other options, but of course the countdown time will be different. You can turn it off just by tapping on this icon, on this crossed out icon again, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So actually this is it. This is how to set the camera timer in your TCL TabMax. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.